This is the terminal. In Linux we are using the Fedora, and in that we have the terminal. On that only we are typing the commands, and let's get started with this commands. The first one is mkdir. It will make directory. It means it will make the new directory. I am giving a name BCA3 as the name of that directory. So you can give any name. We have here ls command to see which files are available, which folders are, that is the directory are available. So we created here already some of directory and files. Now we created here BCA3. To change the directory or to move in the BCA3, we have command cd. This is change directory and BCA3. This is your directory name, sorry, BCA3. Now see here BCA3 name comes. So you know that we are in BCA3. But sometimes it will not show you the BCA3 here, or whatever you have given name to your folders to directory. So you can use here pwd command to know where we are locating. PWD means present working directory. Presently where we are working, that directory it will show. So next we have mkdir command, because we are creating another directories in the same BCA3. Sorry, we need to give here separate names. So I am removing that directory from the folders, that is directory. It is not showing error here because already we are in BCA3. If we are created here second time, so it will show the error. Here nothing is present, so it is created. mkdir, then BCA college. This is your directory name. So let's see whether it is created or no. ls command to see the folders, files or directory. It is present. So we need to enter in BCA college. So let's give the command cd BCA college. Don't give your space in between because it will show you the error. It will not considered as this is same name. It will consider as separate names. So keep in mind that. Now see, first we were in BCA3. Now we are entered in BCA college. So that's it. Now in that BCA college we are creating 3 files, that is ABCD. You can give any names with the spaces. To create that files, empty file, it will create the empty file. At the same time we can create multiple files, not only the one. We can create here 3 or more files with the help of touch command. It will not contain any data in that file. So the touch command A, B and C, D. We are using here spaces because it will create the separate files, not the same file. Let's give your ls command again and see here it will create the separate files. Next, we are creating the one more file, that is mkdir make directory command staff. Give the name staff, enter. ls command, because we need to see here whether it is created the directory or no. Here the major difference is we created here with the help of touch command 4 files, and other thing is we have created the staff is directory. Here it is directory. These 4 are files and this one staff is directory. Then we are moving this into staff command, staff directory. Again we are came into staff directory. So see here, previously we are entered in BCA 3, then BCA college, then we are in staff. So if you want, you can type here pwd command to see where your present directory is. It is coming next to it, but if you want to clear the terminal, you can use here clear as the command and the enter button. So it will goes, all clears the screen. pwd to see present working directory. Then cd command. You are just seeing the cd command, how to move the one folder to another. Now to go back, we can use a cd dot dot. It will move out one step before to your directory. So here you were in staff folder, now you are in BCA college. We are using your ls to know that. See, we moved backward. Again I am entering into the staff. This is hierarchy, so don't get confused about this. See properly what I am doing here and then you understand this. This is the staff. If you want to move at the home directory, that is the admin, you can use directly cd command. Cd dot dot, it will move you backward one step before, but cd command it will show you the admin's folder. See here, you came out of this all the directories at one time. For today, that's it. We will see next command in next class. Thank you.